Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be discussing a little known toggle switch on the dash of a 1965 Mustang Fastback, specifically the fastbacks that were prepared to be 1965 Mustang Shelby GT350s. These cars had increased horsepower, modified suspensions, and performance gauges, as can be seen in the video. Now, to be clear, this particular car is a tribute car. It's a GT350 Tribute, not to be confused with an original GT350. It's being used for demo purposes only. The 1965 Shelbys also came with a very distinctive wood-style steering wheel. Now, in a rush to get these cars into production, the manufacturer was unable to fit these cars with a horn button. As a result, for 1965 and early 66 Shelby GT350s, a horn switch was installed as a workaround. Not the most practical solution, but a solution nonetheless. Now, if you're wondering if the horn switch works on our tribute car,